Ayak siya do. Ayak gano. Ayak siya do. Hulog siya siguro lang.
Keep it your peace. Don't keep it down. Keep it in mind. Keep it in
Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. We've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper. The victory!
I am feeling on boy. I don't have to keep.
All you can do is tip your hat to the keeper because that was fantastic. Chiellini does well there, alert. Oh, good interception. Quadrado. Matuidi. There's the delivery.
Oh, I no.
That has been plucked away.
Oh, no.
Oh my God. This is Miranda.
Bale drives it forward. It's put paid to a promising. And that's a throw.
Huh? What reach?
I don't know, Quadrado.
Bale takes the long option. Nice little chip.
Ang president, ang ex. Ang preso ex, ganta. Can't why, man.
Matuidi sticks in a foot to win it back. Gets himself into trouble and he's lost it. Oh, it's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ah, solo.
Areola catches it safely. Vinicius Junior. Isco. That's been intercepted and that will come to nothing. Trying to play it through.
Look, he's offering an apology to his teammate who's clearly miffed at not being picked out despite making what looked like the right run.
Oh, no. I'm going to Quadrado.
Brushed off the ball there.
There's two pieces.
Oh, no.
Into there.
It's Marcelo. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's through. Slightly better ball would have been a very different outcome there. Look, the but if only the pass could have completed its journey.
We'll back
on the first 45 minutes. Well, they look lost for ideas and lacking in talent, which all contributes to a chronic case of impotence. Goals at this stage, but certainly not devoid of action. It is 0-0 here at half-time. And the game has already resumed here. No score in the first. And they've been caught out here. Played out to the right. Played back in. It's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh!
He could be in here. Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
I've called a fuck.
He's got away. Alexandra demonstrating fabulous determination. He just will not be beaten.
Relax, man. Korea. Tshela pa. Hayi, le yabe si review le VR.
Modric. A few chances to talk of, Jim. Defence is, it seems, on top here.
Well, I think it's a fair reflection on what we've seen so far. Neither side has produced that many efforts at goal simply because respective defences have been strong.
A few feathers, but well dealt with. Ruka. Over to the left. And it's played forward. Petrano hits it back.
Quadrado, ngangele, Adi walang kaunjalo, ikila, I don't come there. Quadrado in the gun.
Mbona isikolo muthi leyo bafika khona ntanga. Leyo bafika khona ndo. Ukase.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of...
He scored!
Crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fighting spirit. It has to be matched.
Vinicius Junior.
Vinicius Junior!
Love you, boy! Junior! Love you, son! No, daughter. It's me stealing, daughter.
Play on the counter, quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Oh, it was a long time coming. I think it's fully merited. They've applied themselves extremely well.
Now it's Bale. He's 1-on-1. Oh, shooting!
Bale! Kebulin, daughter. Kebulin.
Absolutely splendid. His reflexes were
Joanna. Nyawona ndoda thatha isayisanga nje. Not good.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
When I decided of heading down.
And it tigers up. A clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a... It's one!
Come on! Come on!
What a start! And what a contribution from the main man. I had a feeling he might do something given his reputation, but absolutely brilliant. I wasn't expecting that.
Time and space offensive.
Nalezi saka likhuluma kanjani ngizolibamba ke ngikubona ukuthi dlala kanjani ngithi lizoza ke ngifuna ukuyibona lento enikhalelayo
Firmino. Now it's Mane and the finish.
We saga. Wow. Ngithe mina ngifuna ukufaka 4 wathi ngeke akithi.
Yeah, I really can't say enough as to
mina ngiyabona nje ukuthi abangibamba ngo-1 intwana blind. You can't do anything, you're a small boy. Upasa kanjani ndoda lo muntu lo?
but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot.
Tangumina.
Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Mina ntwana sizocabanga.
Liverpool get it back again.
Kanti ubalekelani
And
manje?
here's Roberto Firmino. Milner. And here's Roberto Firmino. He's on his way. And Firmino! He's looking to get...
Ubekangacabanga ukuthi kuzoyenzaka vele ucrossa wena hayi.
Robertson towards the middle.
Hayi penalty Loris.
It's a golden opportunity here to further improve their position of comfort.
Uvimba ngaleyo X Kaiba man. Ngibone.
Spanish great certainty. London big pressure. He didn't let his team down. He took that so calmly.
Bekuye ekhaya lakhe. Wenzani?
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. No, he didn't quite meet it right.
Kanti nasaza ama-playoff.
Helps available out wide.
Yo!
And here's Roberto
Milner
Firmino.
uyamjwayela yo.
It's Milner. And here's Roberto Firmino.
Marantana yazi ngiphasa uFirmino ndoda uFirmino.
It's the half-time whistle. As easy as 1, 2, 3.
Weak.
Through the match.
Nambone yaphinda futhi uzofuna ukuscore.
This looks well and truly sewn up already.
Basi umuntu onxibe njengawo.
Feel free to forget what I've just said if there's a spectacular turnaround.
Yazi Liverpool
Liverpool
yamkhona.
see an action-packed 45 minutes. And
Vulani wayengicole endaweni eyi-1
we're already into the second period.
akasale loyo.
No changes at half-time that we're aware of. Danger averted for now. He slid it through. And he should have made it 4.
Iyi-1
Coleman
phela lowo mabaleka.
kicks him out. That's Lewandowski. Gets a Lewandowski!
Lewandowski really drove at the heart of that defence. Incisive, quick, but not clinical.
Oh, well defended. That had to be done.
Hayi Milner ntwana hayi Milner. Umdala nokuba mdala vele into yenzayo. And Liverpool.
Wijnaldum. That's gone a long way up and away.
What yenza?
They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Wijnaldum goes through the middle. Milner lobs it in gently.
Tangale umuntu angiphasanga
In
njengoba.
space and looking for options. Shaqiri has a hit.
Ha!
Oh, that is rather wayward. Well, he did get him.
Umnike imali uShakiri.
Wijnaldum.
Kanti nini?
Now it's Mane. Oh, whistle's gone. Now then.
Ngitshela ukuthi
Referee's
Moses
decided that he was fouled outside the box, and it is just a free kick. He's gone for the shots. Has a goal!
Kama leo benchi zala.
Outstanding save. Turns and goes back. Has a pop!
Press up there.
Lewandowski.
Pass leni. Yabaleka
Gets the better of his man. Fabinho. And that's ours.
Isa. So right.
Impending rain. There's no certainty about that, but when it does come, it shouldn't affect the dynamics of a match which has so much riding on it. It's a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. Well, those still up and running already. So in 90 minutes we will be at exactly the halfway point of this season. do you think this turns on, Jim? Tricky, but Karim Benzema. What impresses me about the Frenchman is his willingness to keep going for the team, even on days when it's not as fluid. I think that has a knock-on effect, and it sets the tone for that little bit of extra grittiness. Not to disagree with that. It's the sort of situation he thrives in.
Marcello, man.
That's it, drives it forward. Could move up a gear here. Gets the ball of his man.
Tuano mane.
You want to
That was a
Tuano
good
mane
run.
kambani
The
ngayo.
defense looked beaten there. Firmino.
Ndoda yazi mina ndoda ngiyacakeka ukuthi lezi zithuswa yini. Hayi fika ngani sakunabantu. Cha bangiphasa Henderson.
Now it's Benzema. Hazard. Benzema really just wasn't quick enough then. Well, his thinking certainly wasn't. Didn't make use of what I felt were some very good options.
Ayiko phela leyo.
Ayiko.
Ha? Phela
Wasibuya.
ubani yena tomela akalikhabi ndoda.
Asengisho ukuthi ayiko kanjani.
And that has been cleared.
Sondele eboleni man.
Absolutely everything he had into that. Maybe better look next time.
Man.
And here's Mohamed Salah. Marcelo positions himself well and cuts it out. Firmino. Well read, he's sorting that out. Evening towards the centre. There's the whistle for half time.
Bekandisa kalikashaya nokushaya siyaliyeka.
Big way point of the game. What an end to the half, Peter. A lot of the best action of the half coming at the very end. I get the feeling the second half may well start in similar fashion, as we'd love to see this momentum maintained. So I'm looking forward to what's to come. So they're heading no further forward. The score here still 0-0.
Usala ntwana.
At least there's always a plus side to a scoreless half. Defences are doing what they should, and it's going to take good imagination to break the deadlock here. Keeper sends it forward. Kroos gets it back.
Leon Reef. Namazi la ngama offside. Iyeza lo muntu njengoba isanyeni.
Just about up to the hour now. Not long left, and still we await the breakthrough. And they
Ntwana. Ulala ngale tweet yayibona boss.
Ramos can get it clear.
Ntano Henderson uyathengisana yo.
What does he try from here?
Open.
Alexander-Arnold. And it's Henderson.
Henderson.
Jordan.
Henderson yangiphuza yo.
Crosses into the... Up for the header!
Ntano Henderson ntana yangiphuza yo.
Plenty of moving targets to pick out of the box. Obviously increases the chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
Opale uphinde around doyisaka ngakhona.
Hazard. He gets past his man. Kroos. Marcelo. And it's hoisted clear.
Alexander-Arnold.
Someone has been forced to pull up lame here. Yeah, and the manager's concerned too. Substitution time perhaps, or maybe not, we'll see. Looks as though he's going to see if he can shake it off.
For me, Leo. I Henderson done Keita. I will set up. Ufemini ndo tu pinki maruja la mang.
Nakakata wandi kanti la.
Oh. Ene kumtunzi intambo, kubebe ngazi ukuthi upink. Bengenkele nokukhela ndo. Ngishaya.
Phasa bani le wena?
Phumani, singaphasa le ngaphandle. Phumani. Kanti abantu mangithi baphume bayenzani?
Well positioned to make that interception.
Hey man.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance.
Kanti phasa merona.
Praise the King.
Time added on will be 2 minutes. Hazard, and he's onside.
Ulanovic!
Big chance, and the ball's come out.
Oh,
Kanti
man!
baphuka ezala manga.